Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, myself Pranav Vinayak Virkar. I am the student from Zeal Polytechnic of Electronics and Telecommunication Department, TYEJ. Today, I am going to introduce my micro project of subject ETE, that is Emerging Trends in Electronics, with subject code 22636. So, here is the list of my group members with their enrollment numbers. Pranav Shinde, Salil Wadke, Amit Jadhav, including me. We have completed our project under the guidance of Professor Divya Nadgowda Madam. Thanks for your guidance. Here comes the aim of our project: to develop home security alarm system using Arduino. Here is the list of components which we are going to need to build up this project. First, Arduino Uno, PIR sensor, LCD, 9V battery, 9V battery clip, LED, piezo buzzer, breadboard, some jumping wires and USB cable with computer. So, first of all, we need to understand that what is Arduino. So, Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs such as light on sensor, a finger on a button or a Twitter message, and turn it into an output such as activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you need to use Arduino programming language and the Arduino software based on processing. Now, types of Arduino. So, for your general knowledge, I would like to tell you that there are nearly 13 to 15 types of Arduino boards. So, here are the list of some of them which are mainly used. First, Arduino Uno, which comes with 16 MHz ATmega 328 processor with 2 KB SRAM and 32 KB flash memory. Second, Arduino Duo, which comes with 84 MHz at 91 SAM 3x8E processor with 96 KB SRAM and 512 KB flash memory. Third, Arduino Mega, which comes with 16 MHz 80 Mega 2560 processor with 8 KB SRAM and 256 KB flash memory. And the last one is Arduino Leonardo, which comes with 16 MHz ATmega 32U4 processor with 2.5 KB SRAM and 32 KB flash memory. Now, second thing that you need to know is that what is PIR sensor. So, PIR stands for Passive Infrared Sensor. It is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from objects in its field of view. They are most oftenly used in PIR-based motion detectors. Its range is about 10 meters. PIR sensors allow you to sense motion almost always used to detect whether a human has moved in or out of the sensor range. They are small, easy to use, and inexpensive. Here we have provided the circuit diagram of our project. Here is the working of our project. So, this system is a basic motion activated alarm. It is built around an Arduino microcontroller. It is connected to PIR motion sensor, buzzer, a resistor, and a pair of external terminals. The whole system is battery powered so that it is easily portable. Once you have the code, you can connect all the external parts The easiest way to do this is with breadboard. This will let you make temporary connections to test everything out. The algorithm for the project is that first, start. Second, connect the piezo buzzer to digital pin 10. Third, connect the PIR motion sensor to digital pin 7 as an input. Fourth, LED is connected to digital pin 13. Fifth, we start assuming no motion detected. Sixth, create a variable for reading the pin status. 7th, initialize the library with numbers of the interface. 8. Declare LED as output and sensor as input. 9. Read input value. 10. Check if the input is high, then turn LED on. 11. Put the buzzer on. 12. Set LCD cursor position. 13. Print text to LCD as motion detected. And 14. Stop. Here is the video for your understanding that how project works. After watching video, we will proceed forward to the application of this project. So, this type of motion sensing alarm system can be easily employable for security purposes at bank, various office, and even for sensitive establishment such as for military. We can easily set up this system for household purpose. So, the conclusion of this project is that we have designed a home security alarm system using Arduino and PIR motion sensor, which is portable, cost effective and highly effective as well. Such systems are hugely in demand for security purpose, and thus the given system can be proved useful and effective in view of the above features. So, this was our micro project of subject ETE. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.